Hey everyone! Here's a quick update on Traffic Engineer. The old zoom was choppy and sudden, but I smoothed it out. And one of the biggest changes I made was replacing my own suspension physics to the Unity wheel collider. I then tried to coordinate the wheels, but it's beautiful, isn't it? After that, I worked on the camera so you could change the camera and I got wheels to follow the ground. But obviously, that looks weird. So finally, after some trouble, I got good wheel rotation. Once I got that all done, I knew it was time to make it controllable, and I got steering working. But now it's dancing, and I need to program in a sway bar to keep it from tipping so much. Thank you for watching, and now a message from Orion. Please like and subscribe, and I invite you to watch more videos.
Off you go!